Today's balsamic beef and mushrooms recipe is one you are going to love for weekday dinners. Here is why. It's a simple dish, easy and quick to make. Yet, it's aromatic and sophisticated. It's also great for dinner dates at home. Just light up a few candles and open a bottle of Chianti. Let's make it. Ingredients: 16 large portobello mushrooms, 4 thin slices of beef knuckle, 4 spring onions, Belmorso extra virgin olive oil, platinum balsamic vinegar from Modena, salt, pepper, thyme, ciabatta bread. Preparation: start by cleaning your mushrooms with a napkin or a kitchen cloth. Then peel them and chop them roughly. I chopped mine into different shapes, alternating between 4/4 and 3 slices. Cut the spring onion or use frozen. We like to save fresh cut spring onions in the freezer. Cut the beef into strips and set aside. Drizzle generously your Belmorso evu into a large pan, and add the cut spring onions and the mushrooms. Feel free to use a pot if you don't have a pan that is large enough. Put the pan over medium heat and leave to cook for a few minutes. Next, season with salt and pepper, add the thyme too. It's time to add your platinum balsamic vinegar from Modena, for that caramelized balsamic flavor feast. Drizzle generously to coat all mushrooms, about 4 tablespoons. The time taken to cook depends on how thick you have cut the mushrooms. Once the mushrooms are ready, transfer them to a clean plate. Use the same pan to cook the meat. Season with salt, pepper, and thyme. Drizzle evu and balsamic, about 2 tablespoons and 4 respectively. Lower the heat, so the meat doesn't dry, and mix from time to time. If your beef is very thin, it should take 10 minutes to cook, or less if you like it medium rare. Serve in a plate along with the mushrooms and enjoy with some crusty bread. We served ours with ciabatta. If you want to turn this dish into a 2-course meal, you can boil some tagliatelle and serve them with mushrooms and some grated parmesan. For dessert, we suggest this apple crumble with tarallini and mascarpone. Buon Appetito!